Shurley Method, 5th grade, page 48. We're going to do exercise 1, and this will be the part 1 of the recording. So classify each sentence. So these are mixed patterns. So these are not all pattern 4. So we will have a mixed assortment of patterns, either 1 through 4. I'm going to have you guys do number 4 for homework. Okay, so number 4 for homework. And that pattern will be a subject, noun, linking verb, subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern 4, check. Okay, the buffalo gave the Indians food and shelter. What gave the Indians food and shelter? Buffalo. Buffalo, subject, noun. What is being said about the buffalo? Gave what? Indians. No. Food and shelter. Is food and shelter the same thing as the buffalo? No. So those are
Indirect objects.
compound, not indirect objects, compound direct objects. And in the conjunction, gave becomes the verb transitive, right? Okay. Gave the food and shelter to whom? Indians. So that is the indirect object. The is the article adjective. What's the pattern? Object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Okay. We have no prepositional phrase, right? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is the sentence natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay, the remedy of herbs worked immediately for our family. What worked immediately for our family? Remedy, right? Subject, noun. What is being said about the remedy?
Worked.
Okay. Worked how? So what is that? You're answering the how part, so that's in not adjective, but an adverb. Okay. Let's see. For what? Whose family? Possessive pronoun adjective of preposition of what? Okay, so the pattern is a subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Prepositional phrases of herb for a family. Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Between right here. Okay, because remember we talked about that. You can have a prepositional phrase before the backslash. Okay? All right. Is there an adverb exception? There is an adverb in here, but is there an exception? No. We're good with that. And then is the sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural. Okay. Number 3. Yes, we heard a scream and an echo in the empty house. So, who heard a scream in the empty house?
We. Subject.
It's the subject pronoun. Okay. What is being said about we? Heard. Verb. Heard what? A scream. Is scream the same thing as we? No. So that is a what? Compound direct object because it's the scream and the echo. Whoops. Okay. And then a is in and is a. Oh, whoops. We forgot to come back here and say heard because of the verb transitive. Right? Okay. So, and is a what? In what? What kind of house? The yes is an interjection. Okay. Pattern, subject, noun, verb, transitive, direct, object, pattern, to check. Okay. In the empty house, exclamation point,
Exclamatory.
exclamatory sentence. So, what do we put? An E, right? Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. We and heard. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's a sense of natural or inverted order. Natural. Okay, so we are done there. And like I said, we're going to do number 4 for homework, and that pattern is pattern 4, so subject, noun, linking verb, predicate, noun. Okay? All right.